In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly use Google Sheets to sum up a series of numbers with ease. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's go ahead and log into your Google account using your favorite web browser. Once you're logged in, you should see the Google search page or your Gmail inbox. From here, take a look at the upper right-hand corner of the screen where you'll spot a grid icon, often referred to as the Google Apps icon. This icon helps you access a multitude of Google services with just one click. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Sheets. This will open a new tab displaying the Google Sheets homepage. Now, to work with a fresh spreadsheet, look for the blank option represented by a simple white tile with a plus sign. Click on plus blank to open a new empty Google Sheet where we'll be entering and working with some numbers. In this new sheet, we want to start by entering some numbers. Let's focus on the cells from B1 to B5. These will be the cells where you input your series of numbers. Doesn't matter what numbers you choose to enter. You could use anything from a set of example figures to your actual data that you're looking to analyze. Once you've got your numbers input into cells B1 through B5, the next thing you need to do is click on the cell directly beneath them, which is cell B6. This is where the magic of automatic summation happens. With cell B6 selected, take a look at the toolbar up top. You'll see an icon that looks like the Greek letter sigma, represented by the character S. This is the sum icon, specifically designed to make your life easier by auto-calculating the sum of a selected range of cells. Click on this S icon. Google Sheets will automatically suggest summing up the numbers from the cells above it, B1 to B5 in this case. Now, all you have to do is press enter. The total immediately appears in cell B6, giving you an instant and accurate sum of your data set. And there you have it. You've quickly and efficiently used the AutoSum feature within Google Sheets to summarize your data. AutoSum is indeed the quickest way to total your numbers, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on using Google Sheets and other tools. See you next time.